And let me proceed further. These programs are target these services, lifelines that offer clarity in connection to those in need. Your collective effort that showcase the strength of our community and the boundless potential of what we can achieve when we come together with a shared cause. Together we can build a future where everyone has the opportunity to see clearly and live fully. Your dedication to eye health awareness will undoubtedly make a lasting impact on our community's well-being. Thank you for your commitment and for being the driving force behind our health initiatives. Let us continue working together to strengthen our linkages with the community and improve eye health for each and every one of us. That was really
Of course, my classmates in the College of Medicine, Dr. Yulina Lagdao, Dr. Ars Lundigin. Dr. Lundigin will be one of our WCT outstanding citizen, okay, this September. And of course, Ma'am Christine, part of our DCH advisory group, and of course, Pablo.
Good morning, everyone. So, let me first greet very important people, our beloved Mayor, then Mayor Benji Manalo. So good that you're here, and I was so touched by what you said. Kanina talagang nagsasalita kayo. Si Dr. Celia Brillantes, City Health Officer, Dr. Lilette Canilao, Chair of the Baguio General Hospital, and a member of the Board of Trustees of the iBank Foundation. Christine Samion, thank you for the venue, University of Baguio, medical officers, nurses, midwives, daycare teachers, DHW. Sino mo DHW dito? Raise your hand. Wow, ang galing. Okay. When I ran for the Senate, ang tawag ko sa inyo, I called you the frontliners for all seasons. You are the frontliners for all seasons. Palagpakan niyo sa sarili mo. And you are very important in our effort for everything. Members of the Baguio Eye Health Team, distinguished colleagues, I cannot say everyone, Dr. Ronald, ang dami na dito mga kilala ko, mataganda, mga doktor, mga nurse, friends, ladies and gentlemen, again, good morning.